Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. So as you can see that when I'm about to sign into my account, I entered my username but it says that sorry, we don't recognize this email. So what to do when this kind of a situation arises? Keep watching the video till the very end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Whenever this kind of a situation occurs while signing into your account, note that it is not due to an incorrect password. The Yahoo server is not recognizing your account because you are not typing in your Yahoo email username or your mobile information. Correct? So make sure to type in a correct username or any credential whenever you are trying to sign into the account. Always make sure to recheck your spellings, type in the correct one, and then try signing into your account. Every time you log in, enter your password correct and recheck your password as well. Simply type in your password, and if you want to recheck that if your password is correct, then you can simply tap on this eye icon over here. You can review your password before tapping on the next button to sign in. So whenever you are logging into your Yahoo Mail account, always make sure to enter the correct username and password to sign into your account without any problem. I hope you understood why you can't sign into your Yahoo Mail account and you're receiving Yahoo can't recognize your email kind of message. Then simply double check the spelling for your username and sign into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.